Hello, Assalaam Alaikum, peace and blessings. My name is Sabeena and this is my story for the 6 Items Challenge 2023 and Labour Behind the Label. Here's my introduction. My name is Sabeena. I'm a social entrepreneur, fair trade campaigner and educator. So here I am for the 11th consecutive year participating in the 6 Items Challenge with Labour Behind the Label. My aim is to raise awareness about fast fashion, garment workers and decent wages and good working conditions. How you can participate. Please kindly share this page, this video, donate or participate in any of Labour Behind the Label's campaigns. This year, the 6 Items Challenge 2023 commences in April, but you can participate any time during the year. In memory, I'd like to start this challenge in memory, in love and in gratitude for my beloved mother. My Ummi, Mrs. Mesha Mumtaz Bano, returned to her Maker April 2016. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless her with the highest ranks in Jannatul Firdaus in paradise. Ameen. Mum encouraged me to participate in the 6 Items Challenge 2012 when she was first diagnosed with metastatic breast cancer. I miss you, Mum, and I'm sure you'd be quite happy to learn that I've continued participating in the 6 Items Challenge. So yeah, miss you lots. What is the 6 Items Challenge? The 6 Items Challenge means I choose 6 items of clothing to wear during April. This doesn't include undergarments, exercise gear. You can have an endless supply of these. This year I hope I can complete the challenge. My health has been very poor and my right shoulder has been very painful due to ongoing shoulder surgeries and treatment. It is a long-term ambition to design a fair trade, slow fashion range in memory of my beautiful Ummi and to support fair trade certified farmers, sustainable and ethical producers. My beloved mother was a great advocate for women's empowerment and education, and I believe she would have been very happy and proud of me to continue with my campaigning for millions of countless individuals producing clothes and accessories in factories and workshops around the world. Hopefully by the end of this 6 Items Challenge, I would have educated a few people and raised a few pounds. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I can continue to blog and vlog in English and Urdu. My very best to all the 6 Item Challenge participants and the Labour Behind the Label team. Take care. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam.